Shalja and Rayaan. So
And
VJ, yeah, so he's a huge fan of Mario, so he likes VJ a lot. So in this video today we are going to review these Riwbox Rabbit wireless headphones. So this box comes with a Rabbit wireless headsets, and it also has an auxiliary cable and a charging wire. Okay, so this is the charging wire. And this is the auxiliary cable. So this auxiliary cable, it also has a mic on it. So, and it can be plugged to any laptop. So in case you want to use these headphones as wired headphones, so you can just plug in this auxiliary cable and then use them. So in terms of features, it has various features, and this is the decibel mode. So there are 3 decibel level settings in this headphone. One is 75 decibel, 85 decibel and 95 decibel. So you can just toggle it like this and change the settings. Yeah, so this is how it works. And then this is for the TF card, so you can insert the TF card in this headset, and then this point is to charge these headsets, and then this point is to plug in the auxiliary cable, and then this is for LED. This point is for LED light indication, and this one is a microphone. And this is the on and off button, and this is the volume up and button. We can turn on and turn off the LED light indicator of these rabbits in here. So, and do you want to show them how to wear these headphones? Come sit here.
Yeah.
Rayaan has put these on. I will just press the on off button in here, and then if you see, the lights have started blinking. Okay? Yeah, the lights are blinking. Yeah, so now I'm just connecting it to my phone using the Bluetooth, and I will just turn on a song. Yeah, let's do it. So Tunuk Tunuk Tun is his favorite song. Can you hear it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can hear it. Do you like it? So these headsets can also be used to answer calls, hang up phone calls, reject calls, and then redial the last outgoing number. In terms of quality, we really like the quality of these headphones, and the best thing is that the decibel levels is adjustable. So we can adjust it according to kids or according to adults. So these are really good quality headphones, and we strongly use. So thanks for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up, leave your comment below, and subscribe to Rayyaan's channel. Thank you. Bye bye.